Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
I am Brad from Tregaskiss, a senior engineer here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install the Atlas torch. In the box, you will have your insulating disc with the captured fasteners inside it already. The second part is the V-band clamp, and again, it comes with a captured fastener inside it. You're going to have a fully assembled torch here. It's going to have the consumables on the front end, the neck installed, the LSR cable installed on the torch with power pin and the liner inside. The first step to installing this Atlas torch is to take your 3mm Allen key and install your insulating disc onto your robot. And this stand here mimics a robot face. So we line up the dowel pin with the robot face and then begin to thread in our bolts, tightening these to 45 inch-pounds. So once your insulating disc is installed on your robot face, you take your fully assembled torch with cable and everything installed onto it, and then push it through the wrist of the robot. Line up the dowel pin on the connector housing on the Atlas torch with the dowel pin hole on the disc. Take your V-band clamp, install it onto the flanges of the disc and the connector housing, close it, take your 4mm Allen key and tighten down the one bolt that is on the V-band clamp. And you want to tighten this bolt down to 50 inch-pounds. From there, you will install the back end onto the wire feeder, begin to feed wire, and you're good to go.